all of this fits into this. Some Theory of Simple. Welcome to my channel. Well, we did a poll and I wanted to see how many of you were interested in what's in my purse or what's in my everyday carry bag that I carry around every day, and 95% of you said, please show me what's in your Mary Poppins bag. So today's video is going to be what is in this little sling that I carry with me every day. Let's get to it. Some of you have requested that I shoot from the top so you can see actually everything that I take out of the bag. So I'm going to do this video in that format. You let me know in the comments below if this is something you like. Let's start off with this small pocket in the front here. In this pocket I have a little bit of gum that I keep in a little plastic container. I also have some lanolin because my cuticles get dry and I like to have that. Vaseline for my lips. I have a hand sanitizer. I have some tooth little picker things that I use occasionally. And I have a multi-tool, a little tiny multi-tool that has tiny little bits of pliers. And I think my favorite thing about this is it has scissors. See if I can open that up and show you. Yes, these scissors, I actually use these a lot. So this is part of my everyday carry is this. It also has like a little screwdriver and stuff. I'll do a separate video on some of the multi-tools that I carry, but I carry a little multi-tool. It also has a bottle opener on here, and then I put it on a little carabiner in case I want to take it out of here and hook it onto something else. All right, let's put those things up here. Let's go into my second pocket. The second pocket, I have my wallet. Now, I don't always carry my wallet in my purse. A lot of times it's on my person, and there's actually a lot of things in this wallet, and I'll do a separate video on that someday because it's a Mary Poppins wallet as well. Have all my credit cards and things like that, but we'll go through that another time. I also have my AirPods Pro. I have my other wallet. So I don't carry cash in this wallet. I carry cash separately. So if someone were to come to me and say, hey, give me your wallet, I would give them this one, and it just has cash in it, and then they can be off and on their way because that's what they're going to want. I also carry my MagSafe charger for my phone. So that is all that's in that pocket. All right, my bigger pocket here. Let's start from the top. I carry a little shopping bag. This unfolds to a full-size shopping bag, so that if I'm shopping, I have my own bag. I'm going to be strategic in what I show you here. I also have sunglasses, so that is in this bag. in this purse. My keys, which have a lot of things on them here. My keys have a lot of things. That's probably something I'll show you again with a wallet sometimes, but I have things like a light. I have another little multi-tool that has a bottle opener and screwdrivers and a little Phillips head screwdriver. This is a seat belt cutter and window breaker, and believe it or not, this is a little lighter. I also carry my pepper spray, which you've seen before in my previous videos. Some wipes. I always like to carry a few wipes. I carry a cloth mask just in case, and I also carry this little cloth gaiter. It's a wool one that's reversible, and I've shown you on other videos what I use that for. It's very handy, so I carry that as well. I carry my pop-up fan. Woo! Because I told you, I'm at that age. Wow, that feels really good. I am at that age where, my goodness, this fan is a wonderful thing to have. I carry a scarf with a hair tie because I can always tie my hair up. But inside of this silk scarf, I have my comb and my little comb to put up my hair so I can comb my hair and put it up. So this allows me to put it up in a French twist. I can French braid it, put it in a ponytail, comb it wet or dry, And this all gets wrapped up in this beautiful silk scarf. I always carry a scarf, and I like a longer one like this because I can wrap it around my neck to keep warm. I can also use it as a belt if I need to. So a nice long scarf is something that I always bring along with me. Anything else? Oh, this little bag of goodies. Okay, there's tons of things in here. There's little medical things like blister packs and moleskin. I have some little antibacterial wipes in here. I have a nail clipper and some little rope and tweezers in here. I have a little sewing kit, tiny little one, right like that, that has everything in it just to do some alterations if I needed to fix something. A little doggy pooper bag in case I'm with my dog and she decides to poop somewhere. I have a metal reusable straw that screws together, this little metal straw that screws together, and then it also, oh, maybe I got the wrong end, I don't know, here we go. And it extends, so I have a little metal straw, and it has a little cleaner in here so that if I need to get it clean, I can clean it. So if I have a straw and I want to use my own straw. I also have a little thing of utensils here, this little thing of, I actually have traveled with this, and it's great because I have a little fork, and then this knife is pretty much unusable as a knife per se. It's like great for spreading peanut butter or something if I can get it open here. You can see it's like not sharp at all. It has a little edge, but literally I couldn't cut through barely butter with this thing, but it's great if you're going to spread cream cheese or peanut butter. And of course this little fork, and it all fits into this little holder right here, and it's basically credit card size, so that way I can just keep it in that little pouch right there. See if I can get it in there. We'll leave that there. That's all that's in this little pouch here. That up there. What else? Oh, I have a little zipper pocket in here, and I have some things. So I have, these are little Olay facial soap things, and I've cut them up into little squares. And the reason why I carry these is I hate when I go to a bathroom and they don't have any soap at all, none. And this allows me to at least wash my hands off or something. It drives me crazy when you go into a bathroom and there's no soap. So I keep that in there just in case. Then I also have my shout wipe. You know, I'm always spilling something on me. And what else? Oh, my little pill thing that has things like Imodium and Advil, baby aspirin, antihistamines, and just little things like that. Just emergency pills if I need them. Oh, and my handy dandy Brighton mirror that's a two-way regular and magnifying mirror in there if I get something in my eye or I want to do some makeup. And I think, folks, that is everything that's in this little bag. So that's it. All of this fits into my everyday carry bag. And the last thing that I forgot to mention is this little hero clip. It goes on my bag so that if I'm in a public bathroom or something and there's not a hook on the door, this will let me hook it onto the door so I don't have to lay it down on the ground. I also use this to hook it into a hook on my car seat so that when it's on the car seat, if I hit my brakes, my purse isn't going to go flying all over the floor, and it keeps it right there on the headrest basically of my car seat. I'll do a whole nother video if you want on how I organize my car. So that's it. That is everything that is in my everyday carry bag. I hope you enjoyed that video. And for those of you who want to see what's in my Mary Poppins wallet, let me know in the comments below. There's some unusual things in here, but if you want to know, just let me know in the comments. If I get enough interest, I'll do my Mary Poppins wallet video. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. It'll let you know the next time I post another Mary Poppins video. Until the next time, juice life, drink the joy, keep life simple. I'll see you in the next video.